Imagine it's a regular evening, you flip a switch and the lights turn on. Your phone charges, your refrigerator hums, and your Wi-Fi router keeps you connected. But what if, suddenly, everything went dark? No electricity, no internet, no machines. It's hard to imagine life without it, yet most people don't really understand how it works. So, what is electricity, and how does it power our world? Electricity is the movement of tiny particles called electrons. Everything around us is made of atoms, and inside each atom are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Electrons have a negative charge and move around the nucleus of an atom. But here's where it gets interesting. When electrons start flowing from one atom to another in a continuous path, we get electric current. To see this in action, try a simple experiment. Rub a balloon on your hair and watch as your hair stands up. That's static electricity, the buildup of extra electrons. But for electricity to power your home, it needs to flow in a controlled and continuous way, which is exactly what happens in an electric circuit. Most of the electricity we use is generated in power plants. Inside, massive turbines spin generators, which consist of coils of wire moving through magnetic fields. This process, called electromagnetic induction, forces electrons to move, creating an electric current. The energy to spin these turbines comes from various sources: burning fossil fuels, harnessing wind and water, or capturing sunlight. Once electricity is generated, it doesn't just magically appear in your home. It travels through a vast network called the power grid. High-voltage power lines carry it across long distances with minimal energy loss. When it reaches your city, transformers lower the voltage to a safer level before sending it into homes and businesses. Now, take a look around your room. Every device plugged into a wall socket is connected to an electric circuit. When you flip a switch, you complete the circuit, allowing electrons to flow. If the circuit is broken, the electrons stop moving, and the device won't work. This is why power outages happen, when there's a disruption in the circuit at a larger scale. Electricity isn't just in power lines, it's in nature too. Lightning is a powerful release of built-up electrical energy between the clouds and the ground. Even your body relies on tiny electric signals sent through your nerves to move muscles and think. Some animals, like electric eels, can even generate their own electricity for defense and hunting. But electricity can also be dangerous. If it finds an unintended path to the ground, like through a person, it can cause serious injury. That's why homes have safety features, like circuit breakers, which stop the flow of electricity when something goes wrong. Not all electricity comes from power plants. Batteries use chemical reactions to move electrons, creating a flow of energy. If you've ever used a battery-powered toy or flashlight, you've seen this in action. Try a fun experiment. Take a lemon, insert a copper coin and a zinc nail, then connect wires to a small LED. Without electricity, modern life wouldn't exist. It powers our cities, fuels communication, and even helps us explore space. Scientists are constantly working on cleaner, more efficient ways to generate electricity, moving toward a future with sustainable energy. Next time you charge your phone or turn on a light, think about the invisible journey of electrons making it all possible. Electricity isn't just a convenience. It's one of the most powerful forces shaping our world.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.